Wi-Fi 7 has arrived. But at Extreme Networks, this isn't just another technology upgrade. Announcing Extreme's most complete, deployment-ready Wi-Fi 7 portfolio, built for real environments, real users, and real-world wireless applications. Today, many Wi-Fi 7 offerings are fragmented, isolated access points, different platforms, different policies. That fragmentation forces organizations to choose between performance, flexibility, and operational simplicity, and still leaves gaps as networks scale from campuses to venues and stadiums. Extreme takes a different approach. We're announcing our complete, unified Wi-Fi 7 portfolio, purpose-built across 3 tiers: the premium, the mid-range, and the value tiers. They all operate under one architecture, one security model, and one operational user experience. At the premium tier, we're announcing the Extreme AP5022 Indoor Access Point series, along with our already released AP5060 series of outdoor and weatherized APs. These high-performance Wi-Fi 7 access points are designed for high-density, mission-critical environments, from large enterprise campuses to outdoor venues and environments. They deliver the full Wi-Fi 7 capability, including 6 GHz, advanced radio architectures, and with the AP5060 series, native IP67 weatherized options, without relying on external enclosures or deployment workarounds. At the value tier, we're expanding Wi-Fi 7 into space, power, and cost-constrained environments with the AP3020, the 3020W, and the 3060. These models bring Wi-Fi 7 performance and Extreme's operational consistency to hospitality, education, retail, and harsh outdoor locations without overbuilding where it's not needed. The AP3020W delivers a purpose-built wall plate design for in-room deployments, while the AP3060 adds a compact, weatherized option built for harsh environments. The 3020 series fills out the value tier with affordable high-performance Wi-Fi 7 for most all indoor applications. These APs complement our already released mid-range Wi-Fi 7 access points, the AP4020 and the AP4060 series. Both include quad radio support for 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz and a dedicated security sensor, as well as dual IoT radios. The AP4020 series supports the indoor enterprise with internal and external antenna models, and the AP4060 is built for the harsh outdoors with extended temperature range and is IP67 rated. Hardware is only half of the story. Every Extreme Wi-Fi 7 access point is unified with Extreme switching and Extreme Fabric through Extreme Platform One, and that brings AI-driven operations, zero trust security, and built-in analytics across the wired and wireless environments. This turns your network from basic connectivity into an AI-powered, self-healing, insight-driven, business-aware network platform. This is Wi-Fi 7 without silos, without guesswork, without the hype. Extreme Networks delivers a complete, deployment-ready Wi-Fi 7 portfolio engineered for real environments, real customers, and real mobile applications. Thank you for watching.